Which statistical question best fits the data graphed below? So here we have our data, and first, before we even look at the questions, let's just kind of interpret a little bit about the data. So it looks like we have data points at 0, 1, 2, 3, and 7. It looks like there's only 1 point for 7, but there's 3 for 0, 3 for 1. There's lots more for 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 2 for 3. So let's use that information when we look at the questions to see what these data points could be a part of or answers to. So the first question is, how many glasses of milk does each member of our class drink a day? So think about it. Can you drink 0 glasses of milk a day? Can you drink 1 glass? Does it make sense for a lot of students to maybe drink 2 glasses? Could there be a possibility of 7 glasses of milk drunk in a day? But yeah, so that's all possible. So it seems like the first question could match the data graphed. But let's look at the other questions. Maybe one is more better for the data, or we can eliminate these other choices. So question B says, how many letters are in the last name of each class member? So right away, this question cannot match the data graph because you have the data point of 0. And think about it. You can't have a class member, a last name with 0 letters. That would mean the child doesn't have a last name, and everyone has a last name with at least 1 letter in it. So B is not going to be the statistical question because of that data point of 0. Then we have C, how many text messages did each class member send last week? So I guess this could be possible for this set of data, but think about the amount of text messages we usually send in a week. Maybe this could be more data of text message sent in a day, but it's very unlikely that students would have 0 text messages, only 2. You would have higher amounts of text messages, probably even higher than 9 in a week. Maybe, again, if it was a day, but this is data. They're claiming the question would be for last week. So these numbers, these data points are a little too low for that question to match. And then finally, how many minutes did each class member spend doing homework last night? So again, think about how much homework or how much time you spend on doing homework in a night. Again, with the data points of 0, it's highly unlikely that students are doing 0 amount of minutes of homework. Even higher than 7, your number should be a lot higher. And 2 minutes, if I could do my homework in 2 minutes, man, that would be a race. But these low numbers don't make sense for the question of how many minutes did each class member spend doing homework last night. It seems like the only question that makes sense for the data that's graphed below is A, how many glasses of milk did each member of our class drink a day?